Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 10 important things you need to know before starting a YouTube channel in 2023. First and foremost, you need to decide on a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you create content that is unique and valuable to your audience. It's also important to understand your target audience and create content that appeals to them. Conduct market research and create content that addresses their needs and interests. Creating a unique brand identity for your channel is also crucial. This includes designing a logo, creating a color palette, and developing a consistent tone of voice. Investing in quality equipment such as a camera, microphone, and lighting will help you produce better videos that engage your audience. Planning your content strategy in advance, including the type of content you will create, how often you will upload, and how you will promote your videos, is also essential. Optimizing your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions will help your videos rank higher in search results and increase visibility. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. Make sure to upload videos on a regular schedule and engage with your audience through comments and social media. Engaging with your audience by responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, and creating community events is also important. This will help build a loyal audience and increase engagement. Consider different monetization strategies such as advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise. It's important to understand the rules and regulations surrounding monetization on YouTube. Video editing. Learn how to edit videos using software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. This will help you create high-quality videos that engage your audience. Collaboration. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help you reach new audiences and build relationships with other content creators. Thumbnail design. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your videos. This will help your videos stand out in search results and attract more viewers. Social media promotion. Promote your videos on social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to reach a wider audience and increase engagement. Brand deals. Consider working with brands that align with your niche and audience. This can provide additional revenue and exposure for your channel. Copyright law. Understand copyright laws and avoid using copyrighted material without permission. This can result in your videos being removed or your channel being terminated. Community guidelines. Follow YouTube's community guidelines to avoid violating their terms of service. This includes avoiding hate speech, violence, and adult content. Audience feedback. Listen to feedback from your audience and use it to improve your content. This will help you build a loyal audience and increase engagement. Time commitment. Starting a successful YouTube channel requires a significant time commitment. Make sure you have the time and resources necessary to produce high-quality content on a regular basis. Patience. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, and keep working hard to grow your channel over time. Finally, use analytics tools to track your channel's performance and make data-driven decisions about your content strategy. This will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your channel for growth. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page, SNK Pulse.